First of all, I want to say welcome to all participants in batch 19 Python, data analysis in Python and AI. Today is first class of this batch. Some participants are already registered and some participants are attending today class as demo class. So first I want to explain topics or content of today class. Then we will start our today class. So our class name is data analysis in Python and AI batch 19. Today contents or topics which we are going to cover is first topic is introduction. I will introduce myself, I will introduce about my trainings, and I will introduce about Python training. Next, we will do some work practically. For example, installation of Python and Anaconda. And next is what is the difference between Python and Anaconda. Okay, maximum participants have joined. Now I want to start from introduction. My name is Dr. Sayyid Atif Hussain. PhD in plant science or botany with expertise in R and Python for data analysis and visualization. I am working as a freelancer, trainer, and data analyst. And I have completed 94 batches of R programming and 18 batches of Python for data analysis. And around about more than 5,000 participants have attended my courses uh, during this period of 2 years, within 2 years. And all participants are satisfied and working on different fields, different analysis, or even some participants are also working as a freelancer. No, what you learn in this training? No, I come to my trainings. What you learn in this training? Training name is data analysis in Python and AI. I have divided this training into two parts. Part number one. In this part, you will learn how to read, how to write, how to edit, and how to generate Python script. And in second step, we will learn part two. We will learn about statistics and advanced modeling. I have shared a list with you in your in group or in your personal message. When you have sent me a message about more information, I share a detail with you about class timing, about course contents. So we will cover basic to advanced statistical analysis and modeling in this course. So first 4 to 5 days we will work on programming. 4 days we will work on programming. We will learn how to read, write, edit, and generate. After this course, you are able to read a script, you are able to write a script, you are able to generate a script. After this